Natalie Portman.
Natalie Portman is American and Israeli. Portman is her grandmother's name. Natalie's real name is Hirschlag. Her father is a doctor and her mother is an artist. She lives in Los Angeles now. She likes it because everyone smiles there. Natalie works all over the world. Paris and Berlin are two of her favourite cities, and she loves to visit them. Natalie is married to the French dancer Benjamin Millepied. They have 2 children. Their names are Aleph and Amalia. She dances and ice skates in her free time and loves cooking. She's a vegetarian. She says she doesn't want to eat animals because she loves them so much. Natalie has an IQ of 140. She's very interested in psychology and has a degree in it from Harvard University. She is only 5'3", 160 centimetres, but she's an actress with a very big name.
Sport is my life.
I work hard, but I'm lucky. I love what I do,
says Logan Cooper. Logan Cooper is 19 years old. He comes from Perth, Australia, but he now lives in Newcastle, in the north of England. He's a rugby player. He plays rugby for the Newcastle Rebels, and he trains every day from Monday to Friday for the big game on Saturday. Sunday is his one free day, his day off. He doesn't do much on Sundays. He has a flat near the sports ground with Tony, another player from the team. Every summer he goes back to Australia for 1 month. One day he hopes to play rugby for his country.
I live for my sport. I love it. We train hard every weekday, usually at the sports ground, but sometimes we go running or cycling in the countryside. We cycle for miles, often to the sea. I really love the beaches near Newcastle. They're beautiful, but I don't go swimming there. I never swim. The North Sea is too cold. It's freezing, summer and winter, not like in Australia. Tony goes swimming sometimes, but then he doesn't feel the cold. He's from Newcastle. Saturday is the big day, match day. On Friday evening, Tony always cooks a huge meal for us. White rice or potatoes with chicken and green vegetables. But of course, we don't drink any alcohol. I love the excitement on Saturday, especially when we win. Sunday. Sunday, we don't do much. We're so tired. We just relax and watch TV. Sport, of course. My favourite is the skiing. Ski Sunday. And football. I'm a Newcastle United fan, of course. And I Skype my mum and dad in Australia. I miss them a lot. They want me to play for Australia one day.